All right, I am going to do just a quick, I guess, unboxing video. It's not really unboxing, but I had a fun weekend. We did some interesting things around town, and I just wanted to show you some of the things that I gathered. So I'll start with yesterday. We went to, in Dallas here, there's a place called Pegasus Resale, and it is a resale shop, or like a thrift shop, but just for craft supplies. And all you do is you fill a bag. So they got paper bags when you walk in, and you fill a bag, and then you make a donation. Now, most donations are about $20. Kind of depends on what you find, I guess, and what you fill a bag. But the whole place is full of crafts, and it was super cool, and we enjoyed it. So my wife and I filled a whole bag, packed it full of all kinds of stuff, not necessarily glass related, but I did want to show you the things that I picked up that I thought I'd play with in the studio. So I got two little baby cookie cutters here that I thought I could play with. So you might see those in an upcoming video. And then several jewelry findings, mostly rings, but these are 3 rings here and then a little pendant piece. But these are solid. I mean, they're heavy. So anyway, just thought I would share those. That was a fun idea. I like this notion of a craft resale shop. So it was thrift, or, resale, but crafts only. So there were all sorts of, yarns and needlepoint, and there were some frames and painting supplies and baking and beading and jewelry making and paper, scrapbooking, all sorts of stuff. It was super cool. So anyway, that was that. And then, but on Saturday, I've talked about JL Glass Designs before. I've gotten lots of vitrigraph from them. They happen to be local to me here in the Dallas area, and they had a little glass meetup at their shop. And so I just wanted to show you some of the things I picked up from JL. So let me reach over here. Well, first, I just thought this was nice. They gave us all a little sample pack. So here's their information, JL Glass Designs, and you can find them in a couple different places. They're on Etsy, jlglass.etsy.com, but jlglass.biz is their website, and they also own vitrigraph.com. And so here's what's in this little sample kit that they gave me. Some Mardi Gras macaroni, a long bulb. This one looks like it's peacock. There's something that they call chubbies, which are super fun. There's some autumn. It's 3-color vitrigraph stringer, and there's some kaleidoscope vitrigraph. Looks like Christmas tree cane, some kaleidoscope cane. So let's just and a curl. Let's just open this up and show you what some of these things are we're talking about here. So this is a bulb in vitrigraph. You get this, kind of chunky piece, and you can do fun things with these. I have a couple different ones, but this is out of the Bullseye Peacock glass. Now, JL, if you go looking for them, they're only Bullseye. So Bullseye users, you're in luck. If you're not Bullseye, sorry, you'll have to find a different supplier, but I love what they do. Check out that curl. So they do a lot of these curls, and they're just fun. I mean, it's you can even see it's a little flex to it. It's springy, but that's a good time. Here's this 3-color autumn vitrigraph. So you've got a green in there, the yellow and the red. So it kind of depends on how you lay this or how you want to use it, what color you get. That's fun. Here this is their kaleidoscope. So this is transparent glass. I'm afraid this isn't going to show very well. Let me try, hang on, uno momento, por favor. Let's see here. If I get my light table out, I'm not sure if this would show any better for you. But this kaleidoscope is fun. It's got different colors in it, and this is transparent, and so it depends again on which way you twist it as to what you can see. Let's see, I'll turn this off for now. What else is in here? Oh, a little, this is Christmas tree cane that they have pulled. Hopefully you can see that okay. And then this is the kaleidoscope cane. I have some of this chopped, so stand by. I'll show you that in just a little bit. So it's the same piece here. There was the kaleidoscope as vitrigraph, and then here it is as cane, and I have some chopped up, so again, I'll show you that in just a moment. Here's their macaroni. This is so much fun. So they have a macaroni mix. You can buy these individually in different colors, or they've got this mix. This is their Mardi Gras mix, so that's fun. And then a chubby, which is basically, you know, what you get with these bulbs, but just on the smaller side, shorter side. And you know, I look at that as an example and think that could be something in an underwater scene that could look like a piece of, you know, seaweed or something. So I think that's cool. So that's just the sample pack that they gave us. This isn't even what I bought. Let me show off a few more of their cane, and I'll show you this kaleidoscope that's been cut up, because there's a couple of pieces in here. Yeah, that one. Can you see that? Look how cool that is. Let me lift this up. I hope that that's coming through. I think it's translating in the camera. Look how neat that is. So that's that cane right here, which also has kind of a twisty vibe to it. Check that out. So that's really, really cool stuff. I'm digging that. Here's a couple more pieces. Check out how neat that looks. So, kill the light because then that might be able to see better. They're also making some leaves. So they've got Murrini leaves here. And so a little bit smaller end, a little bit bigger end. Here is another one of those Christmas trees that I just showed you. And then they made a little fish, which is super fun too. So anyway, that was my part of my weekend. We oh no, wait, I forgot the most exciting part. Hang on, let me just put this away real quick. No, they sell these ribbons, and I bought, I don't know, 5 ounces or so of these ribbons. This is a 3-color ribbon. This is all the same. Check that out. Look how beautiful those blues are. So they have different ribbon colors and designs. Look how pretty. So again, depending on how you lay that down, you're going to get a different effect. That's a deeper, darker blue. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I just couldn't walk away from it. It was just too gorgeous. So you've got a really light, almost clear blue, then your middle color, and then the darker. I don't know what the 3 colors are. Again, it's all bullseye glass though. But anyway, I got quite a bit of this because I just in different lengths and different shapes, but it was too beautiful to walk out of that studio. And check that out. That's a thicker ribbon. Too beautiful to walk out of that studio without this. So anyway, there is my unboxing from the weekend. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you enjoyed this little video. If you're interested, make sure you check out JL Glass. Again, probably their direct website, jlglass.biz or vitrigraph.com. But fun stuff. So hope you enjoyed that. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.